Becky from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I want to show you a quick little folio that I made, and this is in the exact same style as this one, and I've had lots of requests to do a tutorial, so that is coming. Just to remember that if you want a tutorial, don't forget to hit the bell for notifications so you find out when that's coming. It'll be within a week. Now I used the Country Craft Creations paper Little Monsters. I had an 8x8 paper pad, and I had already done a project with the 12x12 paper pad, but I wanted to use up this 8x8 paper pad because the paper is so adorable. I sort of wish I had put the pumpkin here, but then I put it on there, and I don't know. Could have done the cover a little better, but it's sort of nice because now you could put a photo here of a Halloween costume or party or parade or decorations or whatever right there on the cover so you know what it's about. So there is a magnet holding this in, and this measures 8 1/4 by about 6, I think it is. And it's 8 1/4, so you can use that 8x8 paper without cutting it down top to bottom. So it's quick and easy, and it's great for an 8x8 paper pad or an 8x6. So it'll open up. You've got this beautiful October 31st there, and here's this. See, I wish I had switched that, and I guess I still can. But this side will open, and actually it should be closed this way, and then you open this up, and you could put a photo on there if you don't like that, but I sort of like it. And I have got lots of photo mats in here, so that gives you lots of room to put photos and shows you, especially if you're giving this to somebody who's not familiar with mini albums, it shows exactly where to put the photos. That side, and then the back of that is there. And then this opens up and goes like that. And so you still could put a photo here because that is open a little bit. And here's the bottom portion that'll open like that, and obviously room to put a great photo right there. And then this will open like that, so room for a 4x6 photo, and I think this is 4 by 3.5, room for Instax photos there. And that'll further open up this way. So still, oops, let me show. So there's still room for 4 great spreads right there. Now the back side of this has this. So there's room for a couple of photos. This is for a 4x4, and those are 4x6. This is open here, so you can still tuck it in there. So if you have something that, you know, the subject matter is right there, that'll be perfect for it. And so this will close like that. And then this will open to show you this and that. Now, so this whole thing will open that way. So room for your picture there. I loved that. Yes, I can drive a stick. So I put it there. And then this will once more open up and give you room to put a couple more photos. And then the center of this just has room to put anything loose. I had made these using vellum paper, and I used my stamp with glue so the vellum would hold on. So I took my spiderweb stamp, put glue on it instead of ink, stamped it, and then added my vellum on top. I ended up not using it, but I still thought it was pretty cool. So that'll close like that, and like this, and like that. And there we go. There is the folio. And again, don't forget to hit the bell for notifications so you know when this is going to be done. I had more people than I would have guessed who wanted this tutorial. I felt like it was real simple, but you know what? It's quick and easy and fun to make, and the fun really is in the decorating. There's a walkthrough on my channel of this one. So that's what I have for you today. Hope you liked it. Have a fabulous day.